Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing my first challenge. Yeah. It's basically I can't touch the ground, and I gotta make it all the way through sewers. Enjoy. So first thing, I gotta go here, up here. Gotta land up here. Oh, and the only thing I'm allowed, by the way, is a flashlight. Just to make it a bit more entertaining for you guys. Okay. This would not count. Because I know it's gonna look down, but like I'm saying, like the floor. Generally. Oh, okay. Blocks I can go on, pipes I can go on. Because they aren't part of the ground. The rocks, I'm honestly not sure if I can go on them. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. How about this? The rocks are fine. But like I'm like allowed to like touch the rocks, but I just can't like go on top of them. How about? Huh? Oh. Ah! I'm a pterodactyl. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, no. Oh! Okay. I honestly feel like it's physically impossible to grab on this. You guys just gotta let me. Okay? It's the only part of ground I'm allowed to touch. Okay. I'm sorry. It's just, there's no way I was able to land perfectly like this when I was falling down from there. Unless, like, I had, like, an item or something, which all I have is a dumb flashlight. Oh god. How am I meant to do this? Oh no! I can't get to the next part now. Cause there's this stupid red light, green light man, or the watcher. Whoever you want him to be. Okay, I don't know what to do, honestly. Do I just go up there? I can't make that jump. Oh god. No! No! Okay. He killed me before it hit the ground though. No! No! He killed me before it hit the ground, guys. We're fine. He killed me before it hit the ground, so we good, okay? Don't get mad at me, guys, please. Just listen to my very probably small percent of viewers, my 2 viewers watching right now. Saying, guys, like, red light, green light. When he killed me, like, he killed me when I was in the air. Like my dead body hit the floor. But because your ghost dies wherever your body is, so like, and you saw my ghost, it was like barely touching the ground. So the only exception, touching the ground, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh god. He killed me when I was in the air again. Okay, we're fine. Fine. Yes. I'm gonna see if I can, like... No, you physically can't stop. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. Go back. Oh God, why did I want to jump to the ground? I can't do that. Okay. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Mimic. Okay. I'm so close, guys. Please. Which way? Which way? Dang it, bro. Son of a gun. Okay. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, this might be the end of me. Guys, the video might end here. Clutch! No! Oh! Oh! No. Okay, I need to bounce. I need to bounce. I need to bounce down. Oh! Oh! I'm sorry, guys. I'm not on the ground. Oh! No! Never! Never! No! Wait, is there ground here? Thank God. I've been going at this for like 2 years now. Just, but I've been going at this for a while. I keep dying. Rather like, I like the part I just died at, I think. Like, I keep dying at the parkour part. Or the assist monster stabs me and I'm like standing on something. Like the eyeball monster, kind of. I don't know what it's called. I'm pretty sure it's called the assist monster. Oh, yeah! Woo woo! Okay. Back in the sewers. Again. No, I hate you. I hate you so much. Bro. My stupid VR just crashed. Thank God that the recording saved somehow. I'm gonna beat sewers. Okay, I promise that I'm gonna beat sewers. I pinky promise. This attempt, I'm gonna beat sewers. I'm not gonna fall, and I'm not gonna die by the stupid red light green monster with a cyst while I'm falling on it. No! Oh no! Oh! How? How? Yay! How the hell did I not die there? Oh my god. I'm scared. Will I finally touch the ground here, guys? Oh yeah! Oh, yeah! No. Okay, I'm only allowed to touch this, guys. We're fine. We all good. No! I didn't touch you. Screw you. This is how I died like the last 2 times. No! Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will post another challenge video soon, but I just touched the ground, so goodbye.